The T stance is the same. The difference is when we are facing the right, we are in overhand instead of underhand. We'll do one hand at a time again. And then it's the same thing you did on the other side, where you swoosh it back behind your butt cheek, pivot, turn, and toss the dirt. You can imagine swooshing the skirt and tossing the dirt as you turn. Swoosh the skirt, toss the dirt. Then same thing, thumbs up, hit your shoulder, pivot, turn, and throw. Swoosh the skirt, toss the dirt, then thumbs up, hit the shoulder, pivot, turn, throw, and overhand. Swoosh the skirt, toss the dirt, and thumbs up, pivot, turn, throw. Swoosh the skirt, pivot, toss the dirt, then thumbs up, hit your shoulder, pivot, turn, throw back into overhand, and swoosh the skirt, toss the dirt, your underhand on this side, thumbs up, hit the shoulder, pivot, turn, throw. So your underhand here, remember to hit your shoulder with the thumb, so face your left, thumbs up, and have your thumb hit your shoulder as you pivot, turn, and throw. Remember, we're swooshing the skirt, pivoting, turning, tossing the dirt. And then come up, let your thumb stand up nice and tall, let your thumb hit your shoulder, pivot, turn, and throw it down and overhand. On the right side, in overhand, we're gonna do the same thing. So it seemed to help you with the other hand. Let's see if it helps you here. Imagine you're whooshing the skirt out of the way, pivot, turn, toss the dirt. So your underhand here, facing the left with your left hand, thumbs up, let it hit your back, just let it hit your back, then pivot, turn, and throw. And now whoosh the skirt, turn, toss the dirt, thumbs up, hit the shoulder, pivot, turn, throw. Pull it back behind the hip, come out underhand, and thumbs up, hit the shoulder, pivot, turn, throw. One more time, pull it back behind the skirt, and thumbs up, hit the shoulder, behind, pivot, turn, throw.